ngisuka commerce ngeza ka social sciences. Ngizokwenza i-PSS. Ngayifeyilela ke Nkosi yami ngifuna uqamba ngayifeyilela. Ngangena ku-student politics. Ngafeyila ngaze ngaba president ngifeyila. Kusho ukuthi ama-credit that have been assigned to that module are equivalent to the number of hours you need to spend into that module. So uma wenza ama-modules wakho first semester, second semester, the first year, lawo 101 and 102, you need to pass at least 80 credits out of 128. Ukuze campus credit ikhona kufanele inaki. Campus credit abanako uzohlala for how long in the system? Eyokhetha. They consider your final year results.
South Africa, Ningizimu Afrika, kuphela kufinyelela khona lo mbukiso obhanyabhanya. Kunina besilo siyakhuleka ngalesikhathi okhulekayo ke igama lami ke mina nguSiphamandla uPhawu Mabuthi wamkhilicha umfana kwaMhleko phansi eMatuba inkundla sisigodi. Sikhona kanje ngamanje sesifile ke nesinye ke isiqephu se podcast yethu. Mase ke sesikhungweni leVarsity ke podcast uyazi ukuthi ke suke sikulethela ke yonke into ke iphathelene ke nesikhungo silapha ke ngaphansi kwesikhungo seUniversity yaKwaZulu Natal uphiko ke lwasemgungundlovu abanye bathi uPeter Maritzburg campus. Sikhona kanje ngamanje sikuphathele ke futhi ke esinye ke isiqephu ke namhlanje nesithembu ukuthi ke uzosithokozela ya sothi masihamba ngokuhamba kwendlela nje nengxoxo yethu yena namuhla sethemba ukuthi konke nje sikuphathele khona kuzoba ilento le ofisa ukuthi kube yona likhona ke ithimba lethu njengenjwayelo bakhona abafowethu ngemuva ukhona ke umne wethu umsindazwe uNgomane nesihambele sethu ke sinaso ke namhlanje kodwa ngaphambi ukuthi siqhubeke uNgomane mfowethu asibingelele bhuti hayi
mfana wami Dletshe khona umuntu batu esigodini sasemfekayo ungandi nikeza umuntu omdala ethuba sisamungane
Yebo sanibonani igama ngoNtokozo ngakavula
nakho yabona ke namhlanje kungazi ukuthi mhlambe kunento ekhona ngathi izokwenzeka Ngomane ngizwayo ngathi mhlawumbe umuntu oyibukele le episode namhlanje cabanga ukuthi kuningi nayazi ukuthi akuhlomule kulomphaka simphakela wona namhlanje. Mfowethu sikubingelele sikwamukele sibonge nje ukuthi usiphe ithuba lokuthi uvume ube nathi kulolu suku lethu namhlanje. Mhlambe umuntu ongakwazi mhlambe uthi uyaqala ukumbona lo muntu namhlanje ungayichaza njengobani kulesi space esikusona?
Thank you guys for having me.
Sure.
As I've just said ukuthi igama ngoNtokozo ngakavula. Okwami ke kunziyanyanyana abazalwane. I will say this one ukuyichaza because I'm a person on a history end.
Yeah.
Kulesi isikole. But currently I'm serving as an academic development officer under the College of Humanities, School of Art.
Sure.
I'm a former contract lecturer in anthropology where like sengifundisa abaningi benu ngababona befeyile ngempela. Abaningi benu.
Naba bakhona bengafaka.
And I kade ngisebenza na housing as an RLO. When like being responsible for RSAU 8 kunama RAs abengaphansi kwami I think about 13 last year. Besides ukusebenza ngiye ngaba active with student leadership after university. When ngaba president of SRC.
Yeah.
2017.
Lutilo lehamba madoda.
Ngaba RLO, the Rest Liaison Office of an SRC in 2016. Ngaqala na ku Housecom lapho nje. So ngeke ngahlala nqaba ke ama committees e-university. Ngihlala Student Services Council, ngahlala ku Senate itself. Ngabuya ngazo serve ngama school board representing the postgrads. Academically, I think like I'm the only one in this university. I have to say this one. A person with the longest history.
Yeah.
Although I perform good, I perform bad, I perform good because ayikho item decision engayazi.
Sure.
Currently, I'm holding a Bachelor of Social Science degree, which I did with anthropology and HR. And then I pass nje after iminyaka eminingi kunzima then ngadlula ngayenza honors yami anthropology. Yona ngayithola ngosoma cum laude, which means like it's an average of 83% without ama subs. Then ngabuya ngathi no angaqeda ukufunda ngenza masters. So ngigwala ke anginaso isibhamu, so that's why ngifunda because indoda phela fanele
ifunda kangaka isababa.
So ngifunda anginaso isibhamu. So ngase ngenza masters yami ngebhadi ngangawuthola cum laude ngashuda 1% uthola cum laude. ngase ngidecide ukuthi angikwazi ukushona ngomist awe ngishona ngudokotela into which I'm submitting my final PhD thesis so maybe like in 4 months from now ngizobe sengibiza ngodokotela
ayi umude lo mlando mfowethu kodwa ke siyakuvisele ngazo mhlawumbe indlela yakho ingaba njengoba uyifisa futhi ibe ngaphezulu but ke ngicela ukuthi sike sihlehle kancane ufike nini ngoba ngiyakuzwa ukuthi umude umlando wakho ufike nini kule university nje njengomfundi
ufika kuyahlupha because ngafika ngahamba for 7 years ngingekho ngaphinde ngabuya ngahamba for a year ngingekho so asiqale emuva ngiqede matric 2005 ngingakazalwa ngadlala so ngiqede matric 2005 ngaye mangosuthu to do chemical engineering unfortunately due to my financials and finances and so on ngangakwazi ukuqhubeka ngidrop out ngabuya ngeze ekhaya the following year kwa 2007 ngeze UKZN ngizokwenza i-become accounting njengengane yasemakhaya impilo yafika yangishaya cause ngabona intombi zasepasity school the following year ngangakwazi ukubuya ngahamba from 2008 up until 2014 ngingekho ngesekhaya then 2014 I came back ngasuka ka commerce ngeza ka social sciences ngizokwenza iPSS ngayifayilela ke inkosi yami ngifuna uqamba ngayifayilela ngangena ku student politics ngafeyila ngaze ngaba upresident ngifeyila
ijoin ni politics
ngiqala ukulead kwiHousecom ngo 2014 second semester as chairperson then 2015 uqala indaba zo insourcing and everything bese ngiqala ukuba more vocal esikoleni sonke then I was voted kungena kwi-SRC for my first term at the end of 2015 lapho khona ngaba uRLO like ngibhekelela ama-rest nokuhlala kwabafundi then 2017 after fees must fall then I was elected to be a president not under any political banner as an individual mina nebhenji lami kuphela so by the time ngenza leyo nto ngangispecialize kakhulu kwi-politics and ukuserve ama-students ngakhohlwa indaba yami ka-academia ngagcina ngifeyila nga-excludwa by the time so ngase ngiyahamba ngo-2018 ngayosebenza bengisebenza eLimpopo at a provincial level ngika-director wakhona as a supporting administrator ku-director herself umama uVuyo Thabethe akasekho-ke laphayana nawo osese-Cape Town so she was a director kuma-state owned nature reserve ngaphansi kwe-economic development eLimpopo so I've served for the whole year then ngabona ukuthi impilo ngaphandle kwe-degree is nothing then 2019 I've come back to finish up my degree le ngangi-estudent yona then ngase ngiqale ukuba serious academically ke ngase ngiqhubeka
uzaliqona i-ijazz lakho lokuqala la UKZN
that one is tricky
yeah
because I thought ukuthi by the time ngibuya ngo-2019 ngangizoqeda ngifike ngiregister I remember ngangenza ama-modules awu-7 per semester ngangasenampilo at all ngithena mangiqeda ukubhala exam yokugcina imhla ka-6 December kwangi-HROD yaka-3 ngadlula e-college ka-humanities ngabona umama Natasha Chetty wangenzela i-curriculum audit wangitshela ukuthi ngisho ngathiwa ngiyayiphasa ngizograduate because ngishotela 32 credit remember ukuthi ngaqala ka-BCom so I thought ama-modules angisoka ka-BCom ngiza nawo ngala ayezofika credit wonke but unfortunately i-accounting 101 ne-102 they are not the part of ama-electives aka-humanities so shuthi-ke wona ngangawathola ngama-credits akhona so kwafanele ngibuye ngo-2020 ngesikhathi se-COVID ngizokwenza lama-modules awu-2 bese ngiqeda i-degree so kahle hle i-degree yami yokuqala ngayiqeda ngo-2020 after first semester but what I did when like I was doing those 2 modules oqedela i-degree I've negotiated with my academic leader okwaku-doctor by the time but currently so professor umama uJanet Muthuki ukuthi why don't you give me ama-modules first semester ka-honors kwi-anthropology because vele according to ama-results ami ka-3rd year ngiyawamit ama-requirements ongena ka-honors it's just like ngibanjwa ama-modules aka-first year angama-electives then she gave me that chance ukuthi ngiwenza in the form of my NDPs. So ngathi ke manje ngiqeda i-degree yami ngoJune ngasho ngiqhubeka sengizojoyina i-honors yami kanye nabanye second semester. Okusho ukuthi ke by that year lama module awuthuka ku-psychology 101 nesizulu 203 ngawathola with 89%. Bese ukuthi awaka 3 aka honors anthropology ngawathola with 81% average. Yabo. So wase kuba lula ukujoyina kwi-honors ke ngaqeda kanye nabanye. So my first degree ngayithola ngo-2020 first semester. My second degree honors leka summa cum laude ngithole ngo-2021 first semester. Okusho ukuthi my graduation time difference is 6 months. It's not a year. Then base ukuthi ngo-2022 ngaqedela i-masters yami ke. But ngigraduate kakodwa in my life. Sengigraduate i-masters because ngagraduate la ngayo ke lawo 2.
Bokwenza ngenhloso noma mhlambe
I-reality ithi if usuthatha isikhathi eside ugcine izinto excite abanye abantu ngase excite.
Yeah.
So for me I lost hope ukuthi ngenzele ukubuka abantu ngase ngifuna i-qualification ngihambe ngosebenza. Yeah. Ngase ngidubile nje.
Yeah, iqiniso vele lisho njalo because sometimes abantu abaningi siyabona yebo kumnandi siya graduate but umuntu futhi usazophinde futhi uzophinde kube naleso struggle futhi sokuthi umuntu ephambili. Ngiyakuzwa ubalula izinto mhlambe eziningi ezikushayile. Ipolitiki yabafundi mhlambe ngomane nje mfowethu usuzongena mfowethu. Ikhona la ikuphazamiseke khona makuthi kuphazamisile njengoba usho nje ukuthi ugcine usunaka inkinga zabafundi ngaphezulu kwezakho yabo. So ngifisa ukubheka ukuthi mhlambe abantu abaningi leyo nto iyabashaya sigcine sibone bethatha isikhathi eside bekhona ngaphakathi esikhungweni. Mhlambe mangithusiwe njengamanje uhlehle uthi yazi le nto mhlambe kube ngalithola leli thuba ngangakwazi ukuthi ngigweme ngale ndlela le because abantu abaningi bahlezi beshawa into eyodwa.
Uzongibuza wona it's very tricky because uzongiqhatha nama comrades.
I know. Ufuna ukuzwa nje.
Uzongiqhatha nama comrades because leyana iya kanje. Umuntu ufanele azazi yena.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ukuthi excuse me. Ngohlobo lomuntu.
Sure.
Number 2, the choices awathathayo anayiphi umphumela anomphumela by the time scores. For me, unlike any other people, I was grateful ukuthi abafundi bangithemba bangivotela ending abaself. Ngalokho ngisoli. But I think angibanga fair to my family. Because whenever like ugogo wami ngithume varsity wayengithumela ukuthi anthole qualification and come back and change the situation ekhaya. Sure. Angibanga fair ingane nizame ngiyizalayo. Because ingane baba uma engekho isuke icabanga ukuthi baba uzohamba ufunda then one thing zobongono baba ukuthi. Because I fail ukuyifunda mina. I failed ukuyifunda mina. That's what kind of a person I am. Mina angikwazi multitasker in my life. I'm a specialist. So uma ngiconcentrate kuleyo nto kuyangihlula ukwenza enye into eseceleni. Engicabanga ukuthi kwaba i-downfall yami kwi-politics. So when like ngase nginaka i-politics ngakhohlwa yinto engangizele ukuze incwadi. But ke bakhona abanye abakwaziyo ukubalansisa. Uthola ukuthi umuntu yes uyoqhubeka umzabalazo in the other side and in the future kuyona. And then academically you move. So I can't say yinto enhle, yinto embi, but it depends on what kind of a person you are. But in whatever like you do, don't run away from the primary objective of being at a university, which is like to attain a degree, then you go and have life after that.
Sindazo.
Ngifisa ukuzwa la mangilalela from 2005 kuzanga ngesikushintsha ukuthi mhlawumbe ikhona izinto vele isuke yimile nje empilweni ukuthi izokuphazamisa zenzeni kodwa kukhona indawo ubona ngazuthi uke wena wangaba serious mhlawumbe ngezinto ezithile wadlala uma kwenzeke kanjalo yini ucabanga ukuthi yakuphaphamisa ukuthi no ambe serious isikhathi sawo.
Okay, asiqala lapha Msindazo. I'm one of the people abanenhlahla emhlabeni. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi bambala abantu abanenhlahla njena. And ngiyambonga uJehova ngalento nedlozi lasekhaya. Angeke mfethu ukuthi yonke leminyaka from 2006 I'll start from 2006 up until 2019 because impilo yami itheneke 2019 into what like lento yona namhlanje. Ngangidlala kakhulu. Yingakho futhi ngibe ngithi angibanga fair to my family angibanga fair to my kids because ngangicabangela mina kuphela in that space. Ngikhohle khona abantu ababheke kumina. Yabo.
Yeah.
So into ke ithi and baningi engibabukayo nabantu engidila nabo each and every day abanale nkinga ngekuyona. Thina when sikhule emakhaya sikhula sizalwa abazali abasiqinisela izandla, which is a good thing, because umzali umqinisela izandla usuke kukhomba into a certain direction.
Yeah.
Masuke ekhaya siye ezikoleni lapho khona sophatha khona othisha nabo bazothatha imfundiso yasemakhaya. But when sifike evarsity ila suke siqala khona freedom. And freedom yethu isusa yonke le goal ne focus ebesinayo ebishape laba bantu abasemuva. Yebo. And ike le iqala kancane ke iqala ngokuthi hayi abangiboni. Iye ngokuyiqinisa ihabit. Iye ngokuye uqinisa ukuthi angisenayo impilo ngaphandle kwalento engenzayo uyiqabula wena manga. Yebo. So nami ngibe nakuleyo nkinga. And once angena kwi politics akekho umuntu okutshela because wena u leadership.
Yeah.
So uzomtshela uthini leadership, how leadership. Ngisho ubuyela ku society ubuyihamba yakukhumala ngo leadership. But into eyele awuyenzi. Mina ngiyaye ngithi ke my academic exclusion was a blessing. Because if like an exclude wanga kungabe ngisenza into efanayo. One of the things the exclusion did, all of these people engangiyitshela ukuthi ngino connection ngazana nabantu abaphezulu, they ran off because I was just nothing after that.
Yeah.
And the only people who stuck with me by then was my family, lebe ngasayizwa ngaleso sikhathi. And then kwanginikeza the time ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngibuka ukuthi no, nabo abantu abangithandayo and they have the good lontuzane intentions about me. Angibuyele emuva. By the time I reflect, I was praying for another opportunity of going back to school and fix my mistakes. In which ngalithola ngase ngibamba izandla zombili.
Wethu, cha kuyazwakala. Wahamba wathola ke ilokhuzane yakho, i-honors yakho waqhubeka. Ungena kanjani ekuthenini usuthola ithuba lokuthi uzoba ingxenye njengamanje yabantu abalokhuzana abafundisa esikoleni?
Experience. The experience. Whenever like I say like it's an experience, not an experience yokufundisa.
Sure.
But ilenta abayibiza nge-campus history. To understand the campus culture. When like you have been known at the university as the bad person, and if usuqala ushintsha and become the better person, baqala ngokuthatha bekwenza ithutha and then beqale bereference ngabo ukuthi nimbona samthola nje and then niyambona usenjani. So by the time belokhu benza lento leyo you gain popularity within even like abantu abaqashayo ngaphakathi they start to recognize you ukuthi akusesiye kuvundla lo owayehluphe esuphe esikhulumisa and then like starting now ukuba more responsible. Okay?
Yeah.
So eqaleni kwami ke ukufundisa ngiqale ngayithutha. Ngiqala ngo-2021 bengithutha i-anthropology. Mina ngifananga nabanye ngithe mangifika ngazoba head tutor. Head tutor phezulu. Kanjani?
Wayisho inhlanhla yakho ikhona ngempela.
Ama-results amaka-honors even the summa cum laude within that discipline itself.
Yeah.
Ubuthi umu-apply usukhulunyela ama-lontuzane academic record yakho. Then ngafika ngayi-head tutor. Ngaphinde futhi ngazoba head tutor. Ngibe yi-tutor for 3 semesters. Kwabuya ama-results amaka-masters ngaqualifya i-minimum requirement ukuthi ngakwazi ukuba contract lecturer, nga-applya, ngaqashwa ngafundisa. So uqala lapho one untokozo vundla abeyizambane elibolile.
Yeah.
Eselishintshe seliqala ukubhanana ubhatato sweet.
Sure.
Number 2, ama-results am from being worse to be good. Nabe ngikhulumela. Number 3, ukushintsha i-attitude yami kulento ebengiyona and become the better person. Yikhona okwangivulela zonke indlela.
Ukuyitshela nokuzazi kusho ukuthini kuwena? Ngoba ngiyakuzwa indlela obalula ngayo ukusuka kwakho kwelinye izinga kwelinye izinga kufaka lezo zinto zothu. So ngihla ngizwe ukuthi kusho ukuthini ukuyitshela nokuzazi.
Ukuyitshela inhlamba ukudelela. But ukuzazi kuqala ngokwazi abanye abantu. Because whenever like we define a person ukuthi who are you, uzazi kanjani. According to ilontuzane African philosophy, you can't define a person just as like an individual person, but you define a person ukuthi umidlisha kanjani with other people. So siyazi ukuthi umuntu wethu ubani uyazazi useketshela ukuthi umuntu uyayitshela no. According to my definition ukuthi who am I amongst those people? Ngiyabahlonipha labantu, bayangihlonipha labantu. Ngiyabalalela labantu, bayangilalela labantu. But uma uyitshela usukuyitshela ukuthi ungcono kunabanye abantu. bona balutho ngaphandle kwakho. But uma uzazi usuke uzazi I'm a part of the community and all my values have been driven from the community.
Mhlambe msindaza ngazi noma singaqhubeka noma siselana singakangeni nje ngokomsebenzi esizibonaka njengamanje. Khona mhlambe usadinga ukubamba ongemuva.
Hayi cha sisiqhubeka.
Mhlambe ngifuna sizobheka la. Njengamanje wahamba futhi usuka ekubeni ilo yavundla waba ilovundla wazogcina usekuthenini njengamanje uhleli sibona use-office sazi ukuthi thina uma unenkinga kwa-art kumele ubhale i-email into okuzovundla ubhale ngesingisi kuphendule ngesiZulu into ongayazi ukuthi nje ungayimisa kanjani kufike kanjani bese kulelo zinga ekuthenini okay so thola njengamanje wena usuyi-ADO yaka humanities noma ngithi yaka art.
Okay. Ngiyeke ngabamba ama-positions amane ngihlasimbe kungcono this year because ngibambe kodwa. Last year bengifundisa as a lecturer, bengu-RLO, the Rest Liaison Officer, then bengi-ADO, and then ngaphandle bengi-researcher for one of the museum engizocela unganisha igama lalo ngaphandle so ngikhola umsebenzi owu-4. Lento khona lento lena yokuthi ngiyaye ngithanda ukufunda because kwesinye isikhathi ukufunda khona ukukhulumela umuntu or like iprofile yakhe. Ayikho imisebenzi umuntu ayithola ngokuthi uwazi bani. I know ukuthi yes abantu abaningi bebengazi as that person bebheda bangazi njengomuntu oseshintshile nomuntu oncane. But the first thing kule msebenzi be-advertise esikoleni. Then ngi-apply njengey'ngane zonke. Before umuntu abone ukuthi uvundla i-CV yami ibiyikhulumela and i-CV yami bihlotshiswa ama-academics wami. Then uma ufika laphayana for sure uzosho ukuthi ngine-degree engiqedile ngine-honors usoma cum laude. There are few people abanosoma cum laude. Ngine-masters ecishe ibo-cum laude. So automatically you attract ilontuzane amehlo umuntu orecruitayo. Then when you go to your interview, then also keep academic record kuthiwa wena wathatha 10 years ukuthi uqede i-degree. Bese ngibaphendula ngithi yes with a smile. Kuthiwa so how can we trust you with umsebenzi wokufundisa like how can we trust you with umsebenzi e-university? Ngizabatshela lokho simple. It shows like angisiyena umuntu ogive upayo. Ngumuntu othi uma engazi namhlanje afeyila will come back and ask ukuthi ngifeyile kuphi. I will go and fix and come back tomorrow.
Sure.
Mangiphinde ngifeyila futhi I won't give up. I will go and fix my mistake until ngize ngithole right. Number 2, i-varsity akusiyona indawo abantu abahlakaniphile. But i-varsity indawo abantu abathanda ukufunda not abantu abafuna ukugive up.
Exactly.
Because those are the people esifuna ukuthi behambe beyosolve inkinga zethu ngaphandle. So my academic record, my experience as a student leader, my experience as a student, my failures, and then even number of skills again now among my interviews. Ibona angithathe angibeka into the positions engikwazile ukuthi ngibambe. Then ngibe sokuba-ke outputs yeke. Because into ofanele uyazi ukuthi if umuntu ekwazi ukuthi if excelled kule position okuyibambile kulolu ku-offerisha umsebenzi to another position. Akekho umuntu ezofuna ukukuqasha if you fumbled into another position. So i-opportunity engitholayo ngibamba izandla zombili.
Yini ADO mhlambe umuntu ongayazi wenzani umsebenzi wakhe?
Okay. An ADO it's a very crucial position at your university. Amanye ama-universities bawabiza ngokuthi ama-student advisors. Abanye bathi ama-career advisors, all of those things. But at UKZN, siwabiza ngama-academic development officers. Each college inama ADOs are commerce, science, and humanities. Ka-humanities is about 6. Or actually it's about 12. Because nama schools are 6, so 2. That's what I learned as a Howard. So what we do, we provide academic counseling or academic advices to our students. Silekelela ngama-degree plannings. We support those people who are not doing very well academically. Siba-monitor, siba-motivate. Sibona makuya ngothi akuhambe kahle, we advise you ukuthi why singashintshi ngala because you do this ngendlela engcono. So we run about that. So we start from my first years, second years, third years, and even like my honor students, because those are the people esicabanga ukuthi badinga kakhulu usizo lwethu khona bezokwazi ukugraduate ngesikhathi esingconywana, usually in time. But-ke nalona ongenzike kahle asisho ukuthi umuntu akatshekwe. Sifuna ukucheck ukuthi yini ephazamisa i-academic progress yakhe bese simlekelela ngayo.
Mhlawumbe uma ucabanga umlando wakho la usuka khona njengamanje uyakusiza ni kulo msebenzi okuwona because indlela osho ngayo yabona ukuthi ubuye njengomuntu ose-advance kakhulu eminyakeni edlule and nawe usukuleso sihlalo njengamanje sekumele ubuyise ithemba kubantu abeke yabo.
Okay, asiqale la.
Sure.
If you want people ukuthi bengangena ebugebengwini landa isigebengu sesisaboshela ubugebengu.
Yeah, sure.
Sizobatshela ukuthi kuhle ngani ubugebengu kumbi ngani ubugebengu. So as a person who has been through all of these stages, ngiperforme kahle, ngaperforma kabi, ngaze ngaxoshwa. My experience idala ukuthi ngikwazi ukunderstand umuntu ongalena kwetafula umezofika engitshela sinenkinga ngale.
Yeah.
Because angimbuki as a state and angimbuki according to the rule book or like the policy. But ngiyakwazi ukurelate nayo ukuthi okay, currently this person ulesi stage so perform. And umuntu kanje nafanele ngimtreat kanjani because ngazi ngami ukuthi nganginjani ngalesikhathi ngilapha.
Sure.
So into ke ithi whenever ngihleli nawe uzongitshela ukuthi awuperformi kahle and then kufanele ngikwenze ufeel comfortable. Ngokuthi no khululeka, you're not the only one. Let me just show you my academic record.
Sure, please.
Yabo. Khona uzobona ukuthi umuntu ongenzanga kahle ekuqaleni but you can turn ilontuzane i-performance yakho ugcina usugcina kahle eqinile.
Yeah.
Because in reality abantu abangena ema-ofisini ethu abantu abasuke sebeqala ukulahlekelwa yithemba in education. Umuntu osesuke sefuna ukugive up eseyitshela ukuthi ngisahluleka ngisakwazi ukulontuzana. One usuke nefear ukuthi uzomjudge.
Yeah, plus.
Number two usuke nefear ukuthi uzo-open up kanjani kuwena.
Sure.
But whenever like you come to me ngifike ngihlekise ngixoxele ama-jokes, for sure ngeke uzungikholwa until ngingene kwi-system ngitshengise nami ukuthi hayi la ukhona ngiyakwazi nakho ubuka mina. Then uyaqala uyakhola ukuthi oh Novundla manje naye wazwaba la ngikhona wayiqeda i-degree namhlanje uyasebenza mbuka ukuthi-ke. Because most of the time you find a person say I'm a finalist, academic record yami iyabheda. Ubani uzongiqasha with this academic record? Then I will ask yourself ukuthi uma ucabanga mina ngaqashwa ubani with my academic record because neyami iyabheda. So by the time ngikutshela leyo nto uzokwenza ukuthi mina ngihleli ngalana kwetafula automatically uthi oh impilo ayiphelile angiqhubeke ukulungisa impilo yami move on.
Yeah, please esho bafu ukuthi hey nangi Novundla nje uyasebenza nawe uzophila. Cha, iqiniso vele yazi engithandayo ukuthi ngingasho ukuthi mhlambe ngingasho nje mhlambe ukubonga nje uyalibuyisa mfethu ithemba ebandleni mfethu uyabona insizwa ngoba iqaqelele nje lapha endlini nje cishe nje ngokuhlala kwazo nje phansi ithemba nje sekuwena kahle umthamo wethemba la ufika ukhiwe khona nje ubuye uyohlala lapha ebandleni indlela nje mfethu iqoqozela ngayo siyakubonga lokho mfethu nokuthi ube khona nje ube ingxenye yezimzindazo mfethu.
Usakhuluma ngalokho mdala okuba ingxenye yethu mfethu siyibone nakuyena. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa umnewethu usihlephele nje kancane mhlasimbe endleleni okukhulu ukuthi umuntu okhulela endaweni kanjani mhlasimbe emakhaya uqhamukela ukushini sengisho lento ekwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukukhuleka kubantu. Into engeke ngiqaphela umfowethu phethe lezi zinto ezimbili uyayithemba unolimi. Ngabona lezo zinto zombili kodwa nje ukusipha nje ukuthi mhlasimbe yini enza ukuthi sirelate kangcono nawe.
Okay, asiqale la. Uvundla sibongo sikama wami ngizala kwaZulu so ulimi uqhamuka lapho. But angikho-ke kakhulu lapho obaba bondlanga but ayikho inkinga asekho lapho. Ngikhulele endaweni esemakhaya ngikhulela eMacambeni. Ngikhulele nomalume nabazala bese kuba ugogo. So uma saba bathathu kuyena mina ngimdala bese kuba udadewethu wadlula ngo-2016 emhlabeni wayengilama. Bese kuba ubhuti wami ofunda khona lesikoleni honors yakhe i-policy development. Ngifunde ekoleni esemakhaya Quantity School. And ngikhule ngasiyena umuntu okwazi ukukhuluma. And ngikhule ngumuntu ozenyezayo. But ngikhuliswe izinto eziwuthukeke. Ngikhuliswe ukuthi mntanami asinakho kodwa sinalo uthando. Ecela amazwi kagogo la. Abese ngiba yinzalo ethi wonke umuntu wesilisa in the society umalume. Libalulekile lo gama. Uma wonke umuntu wesilisa umalume kuchaza ukuthi angikwazi ukona ngibona umuntu omdala emphakathini because une right yokungidiscipline ngibeke endaweni right. Number 2, ukufunda okuningi as abantu lokho esingakufunda egcekeni lokho esingakufundi ngendlela eformal esikoleni sikufunda estradini so emakhaya singase strati sinomalo. So ukukhula ke angikhulanga ngiyinsizwa but ngikhule ngomushana womalume bonke bendawo. Ibona ke abakhandele into engiyona namhlanje. Yeah.
No, but kuyazwakala kuhle kakhulu. Kodwa ngikuzwa ubalula indaba yokukhula ngaphansi kothando lwabazali noma uthando lomndeni. Uphinde uthinta futhi indaba yokuthi ayo baba vela bondlanga. Kunento kwethu njengamanje sesithi nje ukuthi nje kancane from ilokhuzana inkulumo yethu le mayelana nomsebenzi. Lento yokuthi mfowethu obaba njengoba uzobuka nje kulesi sizukulwane sethu njengamanje sikhulayo. Siyabaleka kakhulu. Leyo nto uma ubuka mhlambe leso sihlava into esingayinqanda kanjani yipi mhlambe into ekumele ukuthi yenziwe ngoba phela omunye uzothi amantombazana aba nendlela kuba nemikhosi yemhlanga ukulaya lwa khona nani ukuze ekhulise but abantu besilisa balahliwe nje. Wena mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi singenza kanjani ukuze sibuyise le siyasithunzi nalo yanembeza kubantu besilisa okuyithina labesikhulayo nabangaphezulu kwethu.
Okay. Kunezinto engicabanga ukuthi kunzima ukuyikhuluma kwi-podcast but ngizozisho. Oweya ukuthi uma ukhuluma ufanele ube careful ngazo because kunabantu abazi ingcupheshi zazo.
Yeah.
And kufanele ugcine usukhuluma into bese ugcina uyadrama ngiyabona ufuna ukungiqhatha. But isikompilo lokuphila komuntu li-based kakhulu emkhubeni wesizwe sonke. Kunemkhosi eyayikhona kuqala ngokwesintu sakithi kaZulu yokukhulisa ingane esigodini despite of gender.
Yeah.
Amantombazane ayinoma ngabahlolayo kula khona ukuhlanganwa khona uxoxa ukuthi intombazane ikhula kanjani before kufika emkhosini omhlaba.
Yeah.
Amadoda nawo like abafana from udla khule ephashini ukubuthwa kwebutho yonke lento bese kugcina kuba nemkhosi yeswenya kanjalo kweshwama yonke lento leyo mkhosi leyo ngalesa sikhathi yayilekelela kakhulu ukuthi umfana ukhula ngayiphi indlela. I will take imandla lamaNazaretha ngisonto eNazaretha. eNazaretha ise no 23 25 14 ngiqalele ngegender ukuthi ubani usuke yalapha.
Yeah.
So whenever these people they go into those places ilapho besuke befundisana khona ngokukhula outside the Bible itself. Abayeli ukugida nani but umfana ukhula kanjani intombazane ikhula kanjani umama iphatha kanjani emeganile. Those are the things ezayikwazi ukushape i-society into a certain direction and bring a sense of responsibility amongst the cohort ekhula ngaleso sikhathi. But with this thing of globalization, modernization, urbanization, all of those things, a dilution of our culture, a culturalization, yonke lento leyo, it took away, like it stripped us that kind of imfundiso as like a band within the society. I'm sorry to be more deep academically, but we are in the crisis where like our traditional leadership within our societies, they are running away from taking the responsibility of restoring that culture. That's the first thing. But as with the change of our family structures,
sure.
Sikulela from the extended family, especially from our matriarchal side, Tina Bafana, we've developed the mentality of victims of the circumstance. Leon is direct our future ways of thinking. What I mean about that, it because what the fuck is that? I'm sorry about the language. But don't you responsible. So we have to stop this thing of being victims and take responsibility.
Yes.
Because of like that's how like I've done that thing. So we need our traditional leaders to play their roles of restoring their culture. And then we need our fun of being our victims and take responsibility for their actions.
Uthinta iphuzu wavundla lokuthi abaholi bomdabu egodini sikakhulukazi abasawenzi lo msebenzi wabo.
No, that's fine.
Cha ngesithinde kakhulu sothi nje kancane bese siyaqhubeka. Ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe ubukhosi buyayenza into kumele buyenze ukuze abantu noma abaholi beigodi benze lento umsebenzi wabo. Wacabanga mhlambe ukuthi ukuthi ikhanda lona lisami ngokuma kwalo noma
mawuthi ikhanda mhlawumbe usho isilo
sengisholo yebo ubukhosi nje like ngokwendlenkulu yabona ngoba uzobuka uma uzobheka nje eminyakeni eyadlulisa mhlambe iningi indaba esethe zaphuma noma izinto eziyenzekayo kubala mhlambe nezinto ezithize ukuhamba kwezinto nani okugcina mhlambe njengoba esho umfowavundla ukuthi ukushintsha kwezinto nokushintsha komhlaba ukuguquka wathi asiphucuzeke ngoba ukuphucuzeka kusuke kodwa futhi ngisho ukuthi siyophucuzeka because kugcina sekulahla ukuthini yabo so okugcina effects mhlambe nendlela ubuholi bomdabu okusebenza ngayo so ucabanga mhlambe ukuthi nendaba mhlambe iphezulu akusasebenzi ngalendlela bekusebenzeka ngayo ukuze nezinduna ezokwazi ukusebenza
angifuna ukukhuluma ngobukhosi phezulu it's a very sensitive topic and I respect of course ngayo yonke indlela and angifuni ugcina sengixoba indawo engeke ngizokwazi ukubuya kuyo but what I'm saying is that like ngizokwenza i-example amakhaya amaningi isithunzi sekhaya sibuyiswa zingane
qiniso
ngisho ngathiwa abazali banjani kodwa izingane izona ezikwazi ukubuyisa isithunzi sekhaya so ngichaza ukuthini ngalokho ukuthi ubukhosi bethu phezulu bunjani kodwa uma sazi ukuthi izimfundiso ezinhle njengoZulu ziqhamukaphi ithina abantu fanele silandele lezo izimfundiso la ezansi sikwazi uyi-exercise khona isithunzi sethu sizoba khona ngathi so ukuthi ke noma ubukhosi kuyayenza leyo nto noma ubukhosi akuyenze leyo nto but thina njengabantu sithule sithini because whenever like I'm speaking about the issue of like the traditional leaders, I'm not saying like I'm a Kosi exactly, but I'm speaking about like abantu esibabiza ngama custodian of the indigenous knowledge within the societies. Imuphi ubaba osanaka abafana esigodini ukuthi baba bakhula kanjani. Whenever like sikhuluma ngebutho la leyo ndawo, induna yamabutho. Kungabe inayo yini inhliziyo yokukhulisa injetshana elandela ibutho layo. Whenever like sikhuluma ngamantombazana umama ohlola izingane kungabe usenawo lo umfo ukuthi ahlola izingane so those are the people esikhuluma ngabo at a basic level then kunyuke because uma sithi sizoqala phezulu hlasimpe sizoba nenkinga eziningi because ezinye indawo sikwazi ukufikela kuzona but labantu abaphansi our grassroots level ibona fanele bekhulumele lezi izingane ukuthi ayikhule zibe more responsible than what they were before
izolisekhona shitho baba abakusasa abasekhona abo ingane zethu wona namhlanje
nginengane eziwu4 nganami
sengishilo ukuthi uyabona umkhulu eksenini izinga lelomkhulu kuthiwa njengamanje nangokuba bavundla okugane umama lokhuzana ngapha phesha kuthukele uyena ke nje impela la esigodini esaziyo ukuthi hayi mawufisa ukuthola iyalo qondana naye cha mfowethu siyathemba ukuthi kuningi mfowethu mase lokho sisondela nje kwene sisazokuncela ukubheka nje siya phambili mhlambe mase sibuya sesibuyela ke njengamanje emsebenzini la isikhona sibuyela futhi endabeni yawo mhlamba ama-ADO kunomuntu mhlambe uzothi mayifika kuwena efice kube uthi ukhuluma naye usumtshela ngendaba zama credit kuduma umpotiyana hlezi ke abantu mhlambe kuzofika abantu abawu7 ngosuku bezobuza into eyodwa yini ama credit asebenza kanjani
okay asiqale la degree a normal bachelor's degree bachelor of art degree or like a bachelor of social science degree ngizokhuluma ngaba humanities ango 3 years a normal duration and degree iyonke inama modules awu 24 ukuze ikwazi kuphela kulama modules awu 24 awu 8 ka first year 8 second year 8 ku third year barike sinama majors othola ukuthi anjengo anthropology nabo history ukuthi instead ukuthi ka third year babe nama modules awu 8 bazoba nama modules ama modules awu 4 bazoba nama modules awu 2 so now when ku designwa a module imodule baye beyikhande bese bebuka ukuthi umfundi kufanele aspende ama-hour amangaki ukuze agraspe i-content of that particular module. So amanye uthola ukuthi kuthiwa spend ama-hour 16 ngeviki, okusho ukuthi ama-credit that have been assigned to that module are equivalent to the number of hours you need to spend into that module. So almost 16 credits, that means that you have to spend 16 hours.
Yeah.
So those credits are iyona ndlela esiweya ngayo ama-module ne-module content. So i-module iyodwa usually from first year up to second year, i-module iyodwa ibo 16 credits. That means i-module iyodwa fanele uspende 16 hours kuyona ngeviki.
Yeah.
Okusho ukuthi now njengoba wenza ama-modules awu-4 per semester, okusho ukuthi you need to have ama-credits awu-64 because it's 16 times 4.
Yeah.
Okusho njengoba ku-8 ngonyaka kufanele ube nama-credits amangaki? Awu-128. So it's 128. That gives you 364 credits per unyaka. I mean per qualification. So you find ukuthi uma usuyaka 3rd year unama-modules ango-32 credits. Okusho ukuthi umthamo noma isisindo saleyo module silingana nama-modules awu-2 ango-16 credits.
Yeah.
So instead of having 2 modules, iyathatha yenziwe ubani ibe module eyi-1 bese ke kuthiwa-ke spend 32 hours kuleyo module per iviki.
So kwenze njani makuthiwa mhlambe mina ngenza unyaka wesibili mhlambe nje ngokomzekelo, kodwa manje ngithi ngifuna uzoregister ama-module ka second level kuthiwa hayi awukwazi buyela le.
Okay. So le umsebenzi ke lo sikhuluma ngawo.
Yeah.
So into ke ithi asiqale kwi-first year ngicela nje futhi ungabusangibuza. Ungabusangibuza, angithande ngichaze then ke usuzongibuza mase ngichaza yonke. A student must figure kwi-first year. Sifika sino 0 credits kwi-degree yaso. Then bese sinikezwa ama-module ka first year. Ama-module ka first year lawa no 101, 102. So 101 that means like the first semester, 102 second semester usually. So kula ma-module ka first year wenza fala kunikeza 128 credits. Kuwona uba nama-majors awu-2 ube nama-electives awu-2. Okusho ukuthi uma kuthiwa ngizokwenza psychology ne-criminology. So i-major yami izobe psychology kube criminology. Ku-compulsory kuleyo module ngibonayo first semester, second semester, second year up until 3rd year. Then bese kuba nama-electives. Ama-electives lama-module ongamejile kuwona but owafunela ukugcwalisa ama-credits khona uzokwazi ukuqeda i-degree yakho.
Sure.
So shuthi lama module sengathi awabalekile but abalekile ama-credits. So siyawayuza kahle hle. Okay? So ke now into ke ithi ngimuvela nini ke ka second year. So uma wenza ama-modules wakho first semester and first second semester in the first year, lawo 101 and 102, you need to pass at least 80%, 80 credits out of 128. Ukuze uqualify ukuregister ama-modules aka second year. What does that thing mean? It means out of 8, you have to pass 5. Okay? And kulo 5 wakho, you have to make sure ukuthi ama-majors akho akhona, then bese umuvela ka second year. But again, ka second year nakhona uzokwenza 201, 202 kanjalo. Ukuze uye ka 3rd year, you need to pass what? 5 ukuze ukwazi ukuregister aka 3rd year. But that doesn't mean ukuthi i-degree yakho uzoyiqeda because usawukweleta lowa 32 credits, lowa 48 credits oshile ekuqaleni nangapha usawukweleta. So you need to come back and then add. It's either add according to over creditor or uzobuya uzo-add unyaka ngaphezulu u-add lezo kade uhamba uyishile.
Kufika kanjani ekufenini mina sekuthiwa njengamanje sekumele ngiaphile kodwa ama-credits awahlangana ifika kanjani lapho kwindaba?
That's a long process. But it's a very short one. Okay. E-UKZN sisebenzisa into abayibiza nge-robot system. It's a tool esisebenzisayo ukumonitor i-academic progress yomuntu. Nangendlela esime-evaluate ngayo ukuthi kungabe wenza kahle academically. But our robot linembala ewu-5 not ewu-3. Lino blue, lino green, lino orange, lino red, bese liba no purple. Uma ufika uphuma esikoleni ka-matric
Yeah, ngise-right.
uma ufika sazi ukuthi uyaqualify ukuba la so umuntu operformayo academically
Yeah.
because uphasile wameet ama-minimum requirements so you're a good student sikubeka ku-green then after first semester after ama-exam wa-first semester so mase kubeka ku-green o-register degree yakho sikunikeza ama-modules awu-4 for first semester ozobhala ama-exams akhona ngojuni lapho njengoba senizobhala nje
Yeah.
so after first semester we sit down we do this thing abayibiza ngokuthi it's an ERS it's a robot system evaluation sichecka bonke abantu ababhalile siba-check ukuthi baphasile yini mabephasile bafeyile ifunde ingaki mabefeyile ifunde ingaki kungabe siyabathathela ukuthi bedlule bangena kuliphi irobot so-ke now the system ithi by the time ufika ku-green sichaza ukuthi like you are in good academic standing okay so uma waphase wonke ama-modules wakho uwaphase with an average of more than 75% in that yontuzane that year sikunikeza into abayibiza ngo-distant commendation that means like umfundi owenza kakhulu kahle then your robot iyashintsha from ulontuzane ugreen iye ku-blue at your first semester as a first year sichaza ukuthini na you are in the route of ukuqeda i-degree yakho with cum laude noma usuba cum laude okay but uma kuwaphasile hlasimpe nje waphasile ngendlela enormal ngo-50 60 but wangafeyila module siyaqhubeka sikubeke ku-green usahleli kahle academically uyingane enhle yenza kahle
Yeah.
or uma uwaphasile out of 4 uphase 3 kuya le uhlala ku-green there is 75% kuyaphezulu of umthwalo uthathile that year but if uwafeyilile uphase angaphansi ka-75% that means hlasimpe uphase 2 noma uphase 1 automatically i-robot system yakhe iyashintsha it says usuqale la usaperformi kahle uzohlala ku-orange osobiza ngo-risk 1 so asikufuni usuhlale lapho then lapho sizobona khona thina ama-8 O's sifuna ukucheck yini into ekubeka ngala khona sizozama ukukulekelela uma sizokwazi mhlawumpe uney'nkinga ekhaya sokuthumela kuma-psychologist mhlawumbe uney'nkinga sekuthumela ka-housing noma-i-congress kanjalo mhlawumbe unenkinga yokudla sozama ukukuthola asikwazi ukukuthola konke but sikunikeza indlela yokulalela sisuggeste siqale ukukhulumela ukuthi singakwazi ukulekeleleka because of like the shortage of formal resources nathi okay then come second semester khumbula ukuthi vele first semester siyibalile ngithi then second semester nakhona ubhala ama-exams okay let us start ngalona ku-blue by the time kade senza nawe into zakho sikucalculate average sihlale seku-blue uvesane ube nebhadi uthole isapho once wathola isapho awusakwazi ukungena ku-blue because of like ikhumlade msimakhumlade amfuni umuntu owabhala amasapho so siyasuka ku-blue sozohlala ku-green yabo but awukafeyili but we are still a good student but awusekho kwi-part of what ukhumlade yabo then lo hlasimbe beke ku-green sizofike simbuka ngokuphela kwaleyo semester ukuthi uphase kanjani in that semester then bese simbuka-ke for the whole year uphase ama-modules amangaki for the whole year is it more than 75%? Yes, hlala ku-green. Is it less than 75%? Yes, so singena ku-orange but again now we have to check if less than 75% first semester ngabe ubuku-orange noma ubuku-green yini bengiku-orange vele so shuthi uma usuphinda njengamanje shuthi usaqhubeka nokuba-orange usiyakuphi ku-risk 2 but if ubungekho ku-orange but now you failed less than like uphasa ngo-75% kaphezulu automatically shuthi sikuyisa kuphi sikuyisa ku-orange mind you 75% akusiwona 75% wamamaki but it's 75% of the number of modules passed okay then second semester third semester makuvula unyaka siya-check uqale isemester ukuhleli kuliphi irobot then uperforme kanjani in that one if ubuku-orange did you pass all the modules and then ama-modules waphase yakubuyisela kulo ntuzane ku-green if yes then sikubuyisela ku-green but if no and then like uphinde wafeyila futhi then that's when like you go to probation which is red then once wafika ku-red sesikunikeza ama-modules amathathu because sithi umthamo ama-modules afo kanjani ayakuqala akwesikubone ngalaba ukuthi uzokwazi yini ukuthi utoto asikupanishi but we are assisting you ukuthi akuwehlise stress uregroupe kangconywana then if you done well lamathathu then siyakubuyisela ku-orange then if you done well again sikubuyisele kwelandelayo but if kuba worse after usuku-red siya-exclude bese sithi aphila. What does that mean? Siyakhipha academically because siyabona ukuthi isikole siyakulimaza. But awukusinenge usitshele ukuthi yini kahle hle ekulimazayo. And then yini ozamile ukuyenza ukulungisa isimo. And yini ozoyenza ukuze ukwazi ukwenza kangcono.
Yeah.
Then uma bekuzwile bazokubuyisa bekunikeza isimo. I mean bekuneze semester order bese bethi kuneza umjolo awu3 but akusafanele kufele naneyodwa imojolo. Then ekumuntu failake usiyakuphephula exclusion. Yabo. But inhloso akusikhona ukuxoxa inhloso ukulekelela because abantu abaningi bangena kwi depression bangena kwi stress begcina becommit suicide because umthwalo usungaphezulu.
Ngizoyibulala ngempela.
So what we say awuhambi uyohlala ekhaya uphume kule pressure kuyona hlasimba usafailiswa noma hlasimba ukufailiswa ukuthi awazi uzofailiswa ipressure ehleli phezu kwakho nanokuthi ufuna ukwenza ngcono hlasimba if you can go home and do the self introspection ukuthi kahle hle hlasimba angisiyena umuntu akakhomesa ngumuntu akahumanities ukuthi ngangenziwa ukuthi uthisha wami wayetheni nje ngala angisiyena umuntu akabani ngumuntu akabani hlasimba ivasithi akusiyona yami hlasimba nakho kufanele ngikwenze hlasimbe le ntombi bengithola naye ibingilimaza ngingayiboni akwengibe kude hlasimbe akusiyingane yami because that's why I said to you uku-exclude kwami iyona into engiyibuka njengabantu abe-blessing to me because by the time ngi away that's when like I've noticed ukuthi ipolitiki iyona ebengilimaza kakhulu and labantu bengithi bona bengangani akusibona but kwafanele ngize ngibe ngaphandle in a distance ukuze ngibone ukuthi ngigange lapha. So when like you go into exclusion akusikhona ukuthi uyaxoshwa but you have been protected ukuthi ungagcini usungena kwi distraction oyenza wena because of like you are in the same space.
Lento yonke uyichaza bhala amasapho ukuthi yazivela izwala ngathi kude kanti reality.
Into intenzakalayo.
Lezi zinto zimphazamisa kanjani umuntu ufuna ukuya ka postgrad mhlawumbe ngifisa ukwenza honors i-degree yami ku 3 years sengenza 6 years aziphazamisa kanjani ukuthi ngikwazi ukuya ngale
thina sizigebengu thina bafana thina bafana sizigebengu what I mean about that omunye intombi ikholozi ifuna ngala ibit nakhona what I mean I always advise people ukuthi yes we do understand ukuthi ukuthatha isikhathi eside into your degree it jeopardizes as much as it's for you to be accepted for postgrad. Ka postgrad ikhona fanele uyinake. Ka postgrad abanako uzohlala for how long in the system. UKZN. They consider your final year results. Iyona ba calculate my average. So ama postgrads amaningi they need a minimum of 60% average in your 3rd year modules. Of that particular discipline. For example, bengenza HR and anthropology. So when ngiyokwenza NDP like honors, the thing of Prof Mutsoka ibuka wabuka ukuthi kwi-301 ne-302 ngithole ngake ngisho like 73 i-average yakhona. Ka HR ba check ukuthi ama HR modules awufika ka 30 ngithole ngake ngisho like 65. So ababanga besanaka ukuthi lo 65 nalo 73 nguthola after iminyaka emingaki but they consider the average yaka 30 year. So I usually advise people ukuthi if i-degree ibinzima usiyiqedile and then like honors yakhe nginqabela because of like uyahluleka ukureach the 60%. If unama means come back redo those modules usuwaphasile ka 30 year of that particular discipline for NDP non-degree purposes. Khona uzoboosta ama marks akho uqualify for the honors. Ngisho ngawafeyila awezo affect degree yakho because anan degree purposes. But uma phasa akubeka in a better position of being accepted into your honors.
Sure.
So we don't care how long did you spend in your junior degree. As long as like in your 3rd year in those measures of ukuqhubeka now uzo reach 60% yaphezulu then you go boom.
Lena ke esap mvamisa ubona ngathi yona enye ichishayo abantu abaningi. So uthi umuntu useyagraduate next week bese ngena message ukuthi ngekwazi ukugraduate ngoba uyakoleta ethi umuntu uyazama ukulandela kubutho wabhalisa. Isebenza kanjani le nto?
Angifuni ukukhuluma ngama finances because I don't deal with finance. I deal with more academic side things. But from ulwazanyana labo ncane nginalo Ithi leyanto NSFAS doesn't pay for ama-SAPS. Because in reality, it's 80% of our students here are funded NSFAS.
Yeah.
And NSFAS, whenever I fund, we check our tuitions, or module registered in the particular year, we check RS, we check our meals. So, our levies, kobe, amasa, kobe, ama extracurricular activities. For NSFAS, our family we kokela lezo. But bakona kabanye abanenhlahla thola ukuthi NSFAS uyayicover lezo zinto based on ibudget yakho ukuthi usoke ngayiqedana. But abaningi babanjwa leyo nto. And number 2, awunqatshela ugraduate. Uyakwazi ukuyograduate, but they don't give you a degree certificate at the end. So I always call this up last year I wish I had 266,000. Because lazy man being I negotiate. But at least now I think I owe yes, I think now I only owe like around about 58,000, so almost 200,000 sales to cook. But I've graduated. And you know certificate exams too because last year I said you cook in honors and undergrad, so bunch of masters and PhD pen. There's a prima match.
Seningikhiphile esikoleni uri admission usebenza kanjani?
Okay. We have a new policy eqala ukusebenza this year. Italy policy, whenever you get an email saying that like you are finally excluded with no appeal, or appealile then the committee decide to ngakubuyisa. Before uhambe, you need to see us as ADOs, or you need to see an academic leader for teaching and learning in your school. When the lenda bayibiza nge-exit counseling, echaza ukuthini leyanto ithi by the time ngihleli nawe phansi ngizozama uku-understand ukuthi uqhamuka ekhaya elinjani.
Yeah.
And yini ongakwazi ukuyoyenza ekhaya engathi uma ubuya bese ngikujaja ngayo ukuthi usufit ukuthi usungabuya university. Yabo? So if umuntu eqhamukela emakhaya njengami usay hamba esikoleni ukufunda kusona, hamba uPP to volunteer ufundise. Then when umusobuya back to me, uzobuya ne-professional ukuthi uqala ukufundisa ngesikhathi, ubufundisa ukuthi nokuthi enestem sesikole, and then yona soyisebenzisa ukuyi-admit. Or wena kini banayo imali, hamba uregister UNISA, register these modules nalabo modules. Then you come back with the academic record. Then from there, yona sokubuyisa ngayo as that here part. Okay? Or wena kahle hle ubuneyinkinga mhlasimpe psychologically. Hamba ubone the psychologist. And then if sebe clear issue ukuthi no, you can then now go back ukwazi ufunda kuya naleyo proof. So the kind of the negotiations ayenzakalayo enzeka case by the time wenza exiting counseling. Then ke bese sikunikeza 4 semesters, which is 2 years.
Yeah.
But no 4 semesters wakho awuqale by the time uthole letter. Uqala by the time wenza this exiting counseling. So if you decide to go to exclude on January,
sure.
I was given 80 number, I was given academic leader of teaching and learning. And then also born on 2026 after 2 years. I was allows to 2026 after the because you need to go and do something as a change so good. Actually, the bunning apart. We are zamu kila nazi and so on from that. Kana so we are significant another and design a chance to use of.
Good to go a process.
It is a process.
Yeah.
But yes, it's a process because it gives you time to have a book. Simple abanye abantu ningangizwa kabi. I love UK as a time. But abanye abantu mina ngeke ba advise ukuthi vele si-exclude ka second year.
Yeah.
And umubuya sokunikeza ama modules amathathu after 2 years. So automatically uyayidelay. Hamba register kwenye university. Start afresh a new qualification. Then after the 2 years or 3 years, you will come back to say finalist also zokwenza honors ngala not degree.
Ufunding ngizokufunda.
Ngishilo ngathi ngiyayibalekela leyo because angifuni ukukhuluma into engayazi kahle. I'm pure academic.
Oh, Sijana esikhatsini lapho mzala.
15 minutes.
Oh, usalele. Oh, right.
Sesizovana ngicela ukubuya kancane lapho politics ungadinga ukudala. Ngifisa ukubuza ukuthi ya kodwa phela South Africa umuntu okanjani njengamanje ngokuma kwezepolitiki Angithi uthena wa-contest ngifuna ukuzama ukuqala ngicacisa umbuzo. Ngesikhathi u-contest wawungenayo inhlangano.
As an individual, yes.
Yes. Ngaphandle noma nje kuqhubekeni kwakho ngaphandle kwe-student politics, umuntu okanjani vele ophila leyo mpilo ukuthi mangifuna ukulekelela angidingi ukuthi ngene kwiqembu elithile noma ukhona iqembu kulona kanjani lapho.
I would be honest. And ngiyazi lento yodathi umuntu angatholi umsebenzi because nibuka abantu abaningi, but I would be honest. Angisiyena umuntu obelievela kwi-party politics. Ngiyeke ngabelieve before into a certain organization engeze ukuyidisclose for some other reasons based on the nature of umsebenzi wami. Until ngize ngene ku-SRC, well, like I've realized ukuthi there are no pure intentions of serving people whenever like in politics. It's all about like positioning yourself into an access of my resources. So abantu, whenever like they go into politics, they go for my resources, a fame, and a status. Bekhohlwa ukuthi abantu afanele baseve ibona baphi. You can go and check the leftists in our parliament, the rightists in our parliaments, the liberals in our parliaments, whoever like was a parliament, by reason which they are for people, but those people like they're just for themselves, all of them. So I don't believe in this thing of party politics. One, it divides people. Number two, it creates an unnecessary competition Yeah. When I have this belief ukuthi ukusiza umuntu, it comes from the heart. I have this belief ukuthi I don't have to belong into a certain organization ukuze ngikwazi ukulekelela umuntu.
Sure.
I believe in the principle of Ubuntu, the principle of sharing whatever resources that like we have for the good cause. And I don't believe in the principle of ngoba ngikusizile then you have to vote for me.
Yeah.
But I believe in the principle of ngikusizile now ngelinye ngosizo omunye umuntu. So that's why I don't subscribe into a certain organization.
So indlela echaza ngayo ngiyayithanda ngokuyibeka uthi wena.
Yes, mina,
so,
yes.
Ngifisa ngibuka ilokhuzana mfowethu. Kule space nje sikusona evarsity. Like inhlangano eningi zisebenza noma into ethize basibayenza ngoba nakusebenza sesikhundleni ababasebenzeli abantu noma babalekelela abafundi umuntu eyimene nje kuthiwa okay njengamanje nakho abantu siyabona mhlawumbe benza into ethize and into enginokuyimqaphela ukuthi unyaka nonyaka hle isikhala ngenkinga efanayo angazi noma nangethemi yakho ibikhona and because uma uzobheka nje njalo uma kuqala unyaka kusho kuneyinkinga zeindawo zokuhlala phakathi nonyaka kuzoba neyinkinga mhlambe zabafundi abangena funding mhlambe kube neyinkinga zani za DP kuthiwa kumele kuvalwe DP nani yonke lonto so inkinga efanayo iminyaka yonke iliphi ikhambo lingasetshenziswa ukuthi kuyeke ukuthi unyaka nonyaka nangonyaka ozayo kuzoba kuneyinkinga futhi ezifana nalezi
you know ufuna ungixoshisa emsebenzini sengihleli into other side now so angisakwazi ukukhuluma you know ngihleli kwelinye icala manje but if sikhuluma lento le lezi inkinga they are bound to be there if sizoba real one omatric bethu bayasebenza kakhulu omatric bethu bayasebenza kakhulu compared to omatric bethu bakudala
yeah
so we have the high pass rate and ingane ziphasa kahle and a very painful thing ukuthi ingane iphasa kahle lezi esemakhaya nesemadolobheni ezikude access ama resources
yes
and isystem yama universities wonke ibuke kwasengathi exclude lezi ingane because prioritize labantu abafika kuqala kubona ongabantu who have an access to ama resources okay so you will find ukuthi each and every beginning of the year we have an influx of ingane ma-18 zifuna ukuzo register ngoba lezi ingane zihlulekile uku-apply drama CAOs ngenxa yokuthi ziqhamuke endaweni engenayo access to those kind of resources so into ngeke uzokwazi ukuyibalekela that's the first one the second one the issue of our residencies the issue of the funding all of those things those are the issues are determined by the number of people in university or enroll you have to check sinama resa mangaka ngaphakathi kuthini and then sithatha abantu abangaki each and every year ngisho ngathi uyakwazi ukuba proactive and say ngizo negotiate ngoJune of the previous year with sinikeze inkinga but the number of enrollment it's either you have to reduce abantu abazongena you have to xosha abantu abangenzi kahle and you have to be strict ukuthi akekho umuntu yes khona sizokwazi uku-accommodate bonke labantu. So yinkinga leziyana edinga ukuthi kusetshenziswane phakathi kwabafundi ne-management engabi bikho umuntu ozobopha ikhanda. But now we have to check what kind of people are we having from the student leadership. Do we have the people abango-master of negotiating? Do we have the people abazothatha isibindi and say we are in the crisis, therefore asimele ukuthatha abafundi? Because ngeke uzokwazi ukuplease konke. Yebo. So it's a very serious thing. And another thing, I think like our government needs to invest more in our education.
Sure.
One, against education needs to be free. If abantu abafana nabo khona lo mama usanda kubeka ngikhohlisa wakuphi ufike wathi akusule the student debt. So for sure why you want me different zeyingane? Because of like ayikwazi ukuthola imisebenzi. So ziningi different zami zosebenza. Yes, education will be free, subsidized education 100%. Therefore yenza sure ukuthi as like kwakwenzekile before ukunokuthi increase i-VAT khona uzofunda 350, increase that VAT at least to fund the education.
At least,
Then you invest more kind of student accommodation. Yabo? So uzokwazi ukusinciphisela iy'nkinga zethu over there. Because each and every year abantu abangakwazi ukuregister ngokuthiwa bayakweleta, abantu abangakwazi ukuregister ngokuthiwa banayo imali, then iy'nkinga zama-res. So if the education is free, ngeke uzube nawo lama strikes. Then if you ukhanda indaba zani zama-res, automatically uyazama ukulekelela enkingeni.
Sure.
Yeah.
But education ke useyenzile like this system yazi useyenza uhulumeni education ba free but uthi nge-system ye-education yethu abantu bayaqhaka bajazi ba-graduate still bahambe bohlala emakhaya. Uthini nge-system esiqeqeshela ukuthi siyosebenzela umuntu like i-system yethu asifundisele ukuthi thina esikwazi ukuma but sifundisele ukuthi sibe ngaphansi komuntu each and every time.
If you go back and check the people who were advocating for fees must fall, we had two groups over there, the one who were looking for the transformation of the curriculum and the ones who were looking for the decolonization of the curriculum. And then those conversations are the conversations ezagcina seyishiwa zilenga kanjani because amongst us as the people who were there was this debate ukuthi abanye bathi we say the system is supposed to be transformed. Abanye they say like let us scrap it off and start afresh. So the question was, how can you transform the system that was designed ukuthi icindezele?
Exactly. Yeah.
Why ungayicimi and start afresh the one that like going to benefit you? And then abanye they've complained about ukuthi kuzothatha isikhathi ukuthi si-reach an end goal. Okusho ukuthi thina the people is like who are fighting currently angeke siwari ama-benefit of that scrapped off system. Yabo. So yingakho sisithola sesila ukuthi yes we see ukuthi system ayisisizi. But those people abakwazi ukubenefita within the system, they position themselves in a position of privilege because of the benefit. And by not thinking ukuthi abanye bazokwenza kanjani. Number two, check out. When like we say the education that we have doesn't benefit us when it comes to the employment, just tell me one person with a PhD on a sentence. I'm not saying that like, I'm not shying away from the fact like we have an unemployment.
Yeah.
Yes, there is. But what about the culture? That like we as black people, esinayo. Because you know, whenever like you go and start, mina mangiyanga sekamu, so yamntana mwenzani ngeze anthropology. Yini leyo ngibachazisa in anthropology. How uzosebenza apha ngaleyo? Who said ngifuna ukusebenza?
Academia.
Yebo. How ngeke nje uzobuya namajazi akho uzohlala ekhaya. But ngihlele office ngiyasebenza.
Yeah.
Yebo.
Yeah.
So that's the problem like we are facing as like the black people, especially thina amaZulu. I'm sorry to say this. This mentality othi ngifuna ukuba uthisha khona uzosebenza. Ngifuna ukuba ummeli khona ngizothola ilonto zami. Once uthisha bagcwala, once abameli bagcwala kuzokwenzakalani? We have this wrong mentality ongafuni ukufunda of taking like the bare minimum, the basic bese sithi sifundile. You can't be isifundiswa with a junior degree. Go for postgrad, go for masters, go for PhD. Khishwa umsebenzi within the system.
Siyeza mfowethu siyeza.
I love that.
And makusele umbuzo ngapho mhlambe ngemuva amaqhawe sesiyophetha nje nathi siyogoqa. Chamber fund.
Yena ufuna ngibothi ibhola ngilithandela.
Oh hayi inkomo mfowethu. Hayi cha. Mfowethu ubunze mhlawumbe umuntu uzothi mfowethu nginaso siphethe nginenkinga la. Ngathatha i-module yangapha kwa social science mhlawumbe ngathatha i-module yangapha kwa legal studies mhlawumbe ngawenza kwaba ama-major. Ngeke ngiphazamise lento endleleni yami ukuthi ngithola degree.
Abantu abafunda ama-rule book.
Abantu abayifundi yazi.
Abantu abafunda.
Asiyazi.
Abantu abafunda i-rule book. You can't call yourself as an academic but ungena ukufunda a basic thing ibhayibheli lokufunda. Why am I saying that? Lento yokuregister i-reality ithi ePietermaritzburg ama-80 awuzawu4 ePietermaritzburg campus. And sidila nabantu aba more than 4,000.
Yeah.
Roughly 6,000. So angeke uzoba reach bonke lapho bantu. And whenever kufika office nikavundla akufanele ngikrashe ukuthi iphuma khona ngizoqedela yini. Nginikeza isikhathi sakho sonke.
Yeah.
So ngilekeleleke funda i-rule book. Kwi-rule book I think it's page 86. Lega 2025. We have tables out 3. Or like blocks out 3. We have block A, block B, and block C. Kulama tables, kunama measures that are acceptable within the College of Humanities. So snake group A or zifundo zaka art. So if when ZPA, you need at least to have one of your measures into that table. Then we also want block C B. If one's Bachelor of Social Science, you need to have one of the measures in that block. Then we also want block C. Block C, ilama measures esiwavumelayo in the college but ongasiwona ka humanities, awaka science na commerce wagroupenda one. So in order for you to graduate, get degree ngaphansi kwaka art, your first measure is supposed to be found in block A. Then the second measure can be found between block B and block C. Okay? Sure. So if your measure is not like in block B or block C or block A, that means the measure C count and we count them within the humanities. Let me make you an example. Science is na geography, sina maths, sina stat. So that's a science lab. Ne ENVS. Commerce, commerce sina economics, sina management, sina marketing, sina human resource, sina HR, human resource HR, sina legal studies. But when you uzofika uzoba ne accounting as one of your modules or like your measures and hlasipe ne history. This accounting is not like within our blocks. As cyber kuzokwenzeka lento yangenzayo yokuthi ngagraduate because nginama modules angathatha noma like angaconsider within our college. So the people, they have to check that before they register.
Kuyoba nezikhathi eziningi kulokhuza ngibona abantu bekhala ngaphansi kwe-Bachelor of Arts bangaphosisi abantu bekhala ngokuthi abagraduate angazi language
HUM 5D 137
suka
in the rule book 2025. Sinama rules awu 3 but ngizothatha lawo 2. OBR9 othi if you register UKZN, you need to go to nesizulu in your academic record. If wasenza esikoleni noma wawenza one of the ngoni languages ongaba isiXhosa, isiSwati nesiNdebele, siyakreditha ngaso in your academic record. But uma ungasenzanga kufanele usenze ukuze ukwazi ugraduate. There is BR9. So it's not only applicable ka humanities but kona wonke ama degrees at universities, ka health science, ka commerce, na ka science itself. Okay? Then bese siba ne HUM 5D, specifically D. If you are registered for a Bachelor of Arts degree, you need to have one language module that was not your first language in your matric. So if you're doing English, you need to have a language module that is not English. If you're doing isiZulu as a first language in matric, you need to have a language that is not isiZulu. And then it's either ALCE or Swahili or isiZulu 204, 203,
or English, or name, but four as work. Those are the modules you can choose to from. So you find it like a person is doing drama and history. Then yes. That person is doing drama and history. Apasa wonke ama-modules wakhe with 78 in record time in 3 years. Then message ekupheleni message useyaqeda sefala ugraduate to awukwazi ugraduate. You are subjected to an outstanding module. My credit is 384. Phase kahle yonke into. You do not have like that language module as per HUM 5D.
Hey, yawuchitha sikonyane madoda.
So leyo nto leyo into emnandi ke ngayo ukuthi ngisho ngathi usewenza i-3rd year uyakwazi ukuhamba uyithatha as like over credit. Because asifuni ukuthi uziwenza ama-semester o-20 just one semester uphase leyo module.
Ngiswahili. Yeah, right isizwahili. Ngoba lesisiqoqa mfowethu ukugcina. Hayi cha. Nami mhlambe esingacela nje ukuthi isikhathi ama-exam njengamanje mhlambe ama-tips nje ukuthi yini singayenza kuze sikwazi ukuthi sidatisha kahle mhlambe sifunda ngendlela e-right yini kuze sazi ukuthi sifika kuma-exam siyashisa.
Ayimi-advise umuntu mina ngama-exam. Ne-belief ukuthi umuntu usebenza kusakhaya. Then mase lishonile ilanga usorepha ama-benefits. So the only thing that like I can say ukuthi abantu abayinikeza isikhathi sokuresta. Go back, use that 888 rule, which says you work 8 hours, you relax 8 hours, you sleep 8 hours. And whenever like you relax outside your academics. Umudlala ibhola hamba udlala ibhola, umujola hamba ujola, umuphuza hamba uphuza.
Yeah, yes, nice thing.
The reason why I'm saying like umuphuza hamba uphuza because I don't believe in this thing abantu abayishoyo ukuthi utshwala akulekeleli, angiphuza utshwala ngaze ngiphuza utshwala. But there are some people that are productive whenever like bephuzile. There are some people that are productive whenever been stress omjola. There are some people that are productive whenever besonda. Yabona ngisho. So wherever like it believes in, nala oba khona happy, zinikeza isikhathi ukuthi ube happy.
Yeah.
But out of all, sebenza 8 hours, rest 8 hours, relax 8 hours. Do not stress yourself. Because abantu abaningi bafeyiswa yi-stress.
Yeah.
Yidla. Vuka ngephalishe ekuseni. Lento ama-conflicts angisizi. Yidla. Umuya obhala muso kufunda the night before ubhale. Lala uvuka hamba ubhala. Because into uma uzofunda the night before ubhale ungalala ufike ephepheni ukhathele, ufike ephepheni uyasaba and say kunento esalile. Yabo. Angim-advise umuntu njengoba ngishilo ngesikhathi ama-exams. Because yonke lento uhamba uyiqoqa sefala ubuye uzoyikhipha njengamanje.
Elokugcina mhlambe kubafundi bakho nje uyibona abahlezi bezokhala kwena.
Abafundi engabafundisa nabafundi abangibonayo ngihlale ngithi mina ungakusabi ukufeyila. There's nothing wrong about failing. I'm not scared of failing. Don't be scared of failing. But be scared of failing without trying. Be scared of failing ngaphandle kokuzama. Because uma ungazamanga uzobungayenzanga ijustice kuwena. But uma ufail uzamile uzosho ukuthi ngizame konke. And uma ufailile akusona end of the world. Go back, re-strategize, come back alive, and go again.
Ungahlulwa ukuzama ngcono uhlile ukuzamile. Usho njalo umfowethu namhlanje. Siyabonga kakhulu. Kama lami nami ngusipha amandla namanje ngisewuyena futhi uma busho umkhilicha. Ufana ngabamhleke. Sekuduzi isigodi khona wafowethu umanqoba uqhubekani mfowamdlecha. Suka sonke ngaleni moyeni waseMatuba ungakwazi usilandela lapha einkundleni zokuxhumana. Usilandela lapha ku-YouTube @esikhungweni Diversity Podcast, Facebook futhi nakhona uphinde usithole uthande uphinde futhi ke ulandele ke ikhasi lethu. Kuzokwazi ukuthi ke uyitholele ke zonke ke ingxoxo ke esinazo. Namuhla bephethe uNtokozo Vavundla EDO ngaphansi ke kwesikhungo saka athi lapha na ke uKZN Peter Maritzburg umkhungu uNdlovu ke Campus. Siyabonga kakhulu. Danke.